So, very good morning. Namaskar. This is CMA H. Padmanabhan, Pappanbai US of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Once again, I have come to you only to share with you that the Institute notification as far as cut-off date is concerned is 20th May 2020. Even now, some of our student friends are sending personal messages through Twitter or WhatsApp or other social media, even by mail. Sir, which is the cut-off date, sir? When I can apply for change of group? When I can apply for one more group? When I can go for the change of the center? We have made it very clear, student friends. The cut-off date is extended. The notification has been given. It is 20th May 2020. Another 4 days are there. Purposefully I have come because of this reason only. Don't wait till the last minute. There are some seniors, elders who are like parents who are also telling us that what is the issue if we apply on the last date. When the last date is 20th, what is the problem? Why you are telling the students like this, Padmanabhan, like that? Yes, I am very clear. Let us not rush in the last minute to catch the bus or the train or the flight. Sorry. And again giving a feeling that the institute website is not working. Why? Institute website is working now. Na. Do it. If you want, if your mind is very clear that you want change of center, please apply. And those who are in Chennai, don't apply for change of center in Chennai itself. In Hyderabad, change of center in Hyderabad. Change of center in Delhi itself. That it is not technically possible. Whereas, suppose you are in a hometown, say in the village, but you have applied for in some metro, you want to change or ulta, whatever it is, that is permissible, you try. And wherever center is there only, it is can be done. There are some student friends who have written that I want examination. That place there is no center. Kya karu? What we can do? So please see the center list. That code will be given. Accordingly you apply. Second thing, 77 student friends have sent mail to my mail ID. I have made it very clear, student friends. You have to apply to exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. And another mail ID I gave was exam.dd2, Deputy Director, dd2@icmai.in. If need be, copy can be marked to me. Now what has happened, 76, 77 student friends have sent only to me. Again I have to send everything to the other persons. Then they are replying. See, the officials are doing an excellent job. Wherever it is possible, they are guiding. Even to overseas centers, student friends also, they are helping what to do the procedure. Yes, even if you feel the network issue is there, you cannot upload, remit the fees online. I am telling you, one second. I am telling you, please take a demand draft from the bank. Those who want to go for additional group, right? Bank is working. I am working with the bank. We are coming under the utility services. Banks are open. Please take all precautions as told by the police authority or the health authority or the government. Reach the bank, take the demand draft, upload, scan it, upload it with the application form and send it to the headquarters. And again I am telling you, headquarters, don't worry about that. You are getting the intimation that your courier is delivered. Yes, that is received by our officials only. But later on, once the lockdown, everything is over, they will open it and they will give you the acknowledgement, right? Don't worry about that. And regarding the payment by the bank, as somebody was telling, yes, please wait for 1 more day or 2 more days. By any chance, somebody has remitted 2 times, 3 times without having the patience. Yes, it will be returned or adjusted. So, need not worry about that, right? So, the cut-off date is 20th May. Purposefully I am coming today because again on 20th don't come and tell that the site is not working. This is always happening with the institute. All sorts of complaints. Last time also many people. I gave the figure. 3,800 plus students have remitted on that day. But some people are telling that institute website, this is the biggest problem with the institute. Then how that 3,800 people, so everybody trying on the last minute, sometimes technology will disappoint us. So let us be together. We all are from the same family only. Wish you all the best. Please remain safe. Stay blessed. Cut-off date is 20th May. Don't go for any more extension. If it happens, yes, all the three institute, even though I am only CMA, I am telling you, the company secretaries of India, the Chartered Accountants Institute of India, the Institute of Cost Accountants, we are with the students. If need be, if situation warrants, who knows? Again, we will postpone that July examination. We don't know. But don't have any unnecessary anxiety. The institute is with you. The leadership is with you. The chapters, branches, the regions, everybody, the staff members, everybody are with you. And wherever possible, please attend the online courses. Please attend the webinar. It is for you students we are conducting. Earlier, you people were telling that the number is very short, sir, only 700, we are this many. Now it has been increased to 10,000. Even some online courses, they are telling. I don't know. But the attendance is always 300 or 400 or 500 only. Then why blame the organizers telling that the number is not sufficient? When if it is always surpassing, I can understand. Right? It is not that the quality faculty members are coming. Those who are attending are giving the feedback. Other people are telling, sir, please take the time, get the time of that resource person. We want to have that faculty members facility. So it is all for you. The online courses, online services, the webinar, the webin program. Yes, we will come back to you. So please remember, cut-off date is 20th May. Don't wait for the last day. Those who want to change the center, those who want to go for one more group, or those who want to have change of group, or whatever it is, the facility is available. If it is available with the institute, they are ready to help you. So do it at the earliest. So wish you all the best. Yes, break the chain, not the relationship. All the best. Right? Bye-bye.